Hello guys, it's Jarissa. Happy holidays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute gifts for either your loved ones or your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and let's start with the video. You can find everything that I use for this video at Walmart. The first DIY is really simple. You just have to paint the center of your plate, and once it's dry, just glue it on top of the plate and that's it. If you want to be a little bit extra with this one, you can also add a little bit of jewelry and pack it really cute, and that would be a perfect present. For this DIY, you have to work really quick. You want to put the nail polish, and as soon as it's like dissolved like that, you want to put in your glass and take it out really fast, and then just let it dry after you're done. You just have to choose the color that you want, if it's for a boy or a girl, and it's a perfect present for that. I decided to make these boho pillows with the zodiac signs, and I actually made one for each one of us, for me, Chris, and the baby. First, I decided to make 4 tassels, and I'm gonna make one for each corner, so I'm just showing you the steps on how to make them here. Then I just took a needle and thread and sewed them to the corners. I would recommend you to first draw the design that you want to make. In this case, it's way easier, and then you start gluing everything on. I did print the zodiac signs from Google, and then I just cut it out and started painting it until I liked it. If you're willing to put the time into it, I think this one is perfect, because in that way the person is gonna see that you really put the time into making something special for them. For the Friends board, I got the logo and I cut it out and then passed it onto the board. Then I started to paint the board, and I left the logo for last so I could fill it in easily. If you want, you can start with the logo first and then paint everything else. After I had that done, I decided to put some strands in there so I could hang the pictures. And then I took some scotch tape to cover the little pictures that I printed. If you want, you can do it professionally, but I just didn't have time, so that's why I did it like this. And you can just put pictures of you and your family and friends like I did, or you can put pictures of a specific person that you want to give this to. This is one that is really good for a boy or a girl. Yeah, I really like this one. I think that this is my favorite one of all of them. So these were all the things that I had to show you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next time. Bye.